I'm in an Isuzu NPR, and here we have the IDSS, which is Isuzu's software. So once you connect to it, you want to go to right here where it says Scan Tool and go ahead and click that. And it'll have some sort of DTCs, possibly, which are the codes. And the regen isn't going to work in this case for this, but I just wanted to show you how to actually do the regen. So you go to Output Control Tests, and you would think it would be in here Diesel Exhaust Fluid Control Module or something to do with that. No, it's in the Engine Control Module. So you click that. You go down to either normal or slow regen. We'll select normal regen right here. You don't have to double click, you just single click. And then right here you click Next, and it will tell you right there to manually do it. So you then go over here and you press that. Hold it for a second, let go, and then right here it will say, oh, well, I missed it, but it said, yeah, there we go, regen in progress. So then you just wait for it to be done. That's not gonna fix what's going on here. I just wanted to show that for people that need to know how to do it in IDSS. So I hope that helped somebody. If it did, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. And this does say Chevrolet right there. This is what I call a Chisuzu. So it's a Chevy rebranded Isuzu. It's an actual Isuzu. So, okay, thanks, bye.